Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make StockBot grow a garden easy method. Begin by placing the bot in a sunny spot and secure its base, then upload a simple watering schedule and seed map. Next, set soil moisture thresholds, attach the seed dispenser, and run a short calibration routine to confirm depth and spacing. Finally, start a test cycle and watch seedlings emerge while adjusting timings for weather and growth. Position seedlings or seeds in neat rows and tell the bot the exact spacing using the control panel or app. Use a light, well-drained mix and program shallower depth for small seeds and deeper settings for larger ones. Adjust the bot to perform gentle tamping and initial misting after placement to secure seeds without washing them away. Monitor the first week closely and tweak moisture settings for steady emergence. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides for you. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker I used here, which makes monitoring and voice commands a breeze. Find the link in the description. Also check the description for other deals that pair well with garden tech. Now let's get back to the video. Configure the bot to water based on soil moisture percent, not rigid schedules, so plants get what they need through changing weather. Program morning watering for deeper soakings and a light mist in late afternoon if needed. Schedule a gentle nutrient feed every few weeks and instruct the bot to flag any moisture anomalies or pest signs. Regularly review logs and make small adjustments for healthier, more productive plants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.